welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Tan Marie, and today we're going to do a brow tutorial. It is called a fluffy brow tutorial with the brow soap. So if you want to see how I did this brow tutorial, then continue to watch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. I like to start off by priming my eyebrows with the MAC paint pot in the color Painterly. And I'm just going to use the blending brush to apply that to my brows. And I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Brow Mousse in medium brown. I'm going to use that to outline my brows as well as fill it in. My brows are very sparse. What are some brow products that you're liking right now? Let me know in the comment box below. What are you using? Are you going back to using the brow pencils? Or are you still using a brow pomade or any brow mousse? Let me know in the comments. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And I'm just going to fill it in to create some hair strokes. And this is the brow soap, and this is how it looks. It's a clear wax brow soap, and it comes with a spoolie. I'm going to wet the spoolie, and I'm just going to apply that into the soap to cover the bristles. Next, I'm just going to brush that through my brows, and I'm brushing it upward, and it's going to create your brows. It's going to make your brows look a little bit fuller. And it's also going to set your brows so they won't be in place. They will stay in place all day. What I like to do is clean up my brows with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which matches my skin tone. And also I use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 13. And I'm going to use my foundation that I'm going to apply on my face over on the top of my brows. And I'm just going to blend that out. And this is the finished look. If you have tried the Fluffy Soap Brow Trend, leave me a comment in the comments box below.